Hey pizza lovers, happy 2025. Do you want to make some focaccia with me? Let's do it. Start with 2 fresh or thawed room temperature dough balls. Firmly press them together to combine, then begin folding the sides over onto the center of the larger hole. Use your fingers to press down on the center folds, then flip the ball over side seam down and give it a few good spins while shaping it with your hands. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the pan and brush it to the corners and along the sides. Tip the dough into the pan and use your fingers to firmly work it towards the sides. It will not expand too much and it will want to contract. That's okay. This is the first stretch. Cover it with a tea towel and let it rest for 30 minutes. Begin the second stretch. This time the dough will be softer, so encourage it to reach the corners of the pan. Again, cover it with a tea towel and let it rest for another 30 minutes. Make deep indentations with your fingers into the dough and make sure the edges reach the corners of the pan. Have your ingredients at the ready and brush 2 tablespoons of olive oil on the top of the dough. Generously sprinkle the thyme over the rivets. And artfully align the grapes so that they look attractive, and gently push them into the dough. Finish off with a hearty dusting of flaky salt. Pop the pan into a 400-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Make sure the top is golden brown and that those grapes are kind of simmering and bubbly. Check it out. Nice and soft and bubbly and crunchy on the top. Let's taste it. Buon appetito.